All right, let's take a closer look at the actual boots. These are waterproof, all right? They're perfect for any hunting. You can wear them every day. They keep you nice and warm. They have nice grips in the bottom, and these are size 13, but you could get them different various sizes. Now, I like this part right here. This part is breathable, but water won't penetrate. It's kind of like a wetsuit material, all right? So around it with silicone and rubber. And then on the back end, you just tied it. This is pretty much to tie the whole thing together if it's too loose. But overall, it's been raining in California. These are perfect. I like to take these when I'm driving in case of an accident or something happens. I got to get off my vehicle. This is perfect. If you're going to go hunting, you want to keep nice and warm and dry. These are perfect for any weather, snow, rain, or shine. So hope you guys enjoy the video.